In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add subtasks in Airtable. By the end, you'll have a clear, simple way to store subtasks inside your task table, using a field that's easy to scan and update as work progresses. First, open your Airtable base and head to the table where you track your tasks. Make sure you're in the view where you can see the column headers across the top of the grid. This is where we'll add a new field dedicated to subtasks, so everything related to a task can live in one place. Next, look for the small plus icon at the far right of your existing columns. It appears at the end of the header row and says Add Field when you hover over it. Click that plus icon to start creating a new column. This opens the Field Setup panel, where you can pick the type of field and give it a name. From the list of field types, choose Long Text. Long text is perfect for subtasks because it allows multiple lines, so you can write each subtask on its own line, add notes, and keep the main task name concise. It also scales better than a single line field if your subtasks get more detailed over time. Now, in the field setup, type subtasks into the search box or name field. Naming the column Subtasks keeps your table consistent and makes it easier for teammates to understand exactly what belongs there. Clear naming also helps when you filter or group records later, because it's immediately obvious what the field contains. When you're happy with the name and field type, click Create. Airtable will add your new subtask column to the grid instantly. You can now open any task and enter its subtasks as a short list, one per line, right in that long text cell. This keeps related work together, reduces clutter in your main task title, and gives you a simple, readable checklist-style space without additional configuration. A few quick tips as you start using it. Keep each subtask brief and action-oriented, so it's easy to scan. If you like visual structure, start each line with a dash or a simple symbol. And consider a consistent order, like prerequisites first and follow-ups last, so updates feel predictable. If you collaborate with others, agree on a common phrasing style so everyone logs subtasks the same way. That's it. You've added a dedicated subtasks field in Airtable, using a long text column, named it clearly, and created a reliable home for the details that make tasks actionable.